Hey guys, just welcome back to McArthur Industries, here with our Sandgate Auto Electrics team today. And as everyone is talking about Starlink systems and getting out there and about with 12 volt circuits, all right? So this is something we've been doing heavily and working with a couple of other companies around Australia, making sure that we're getting the right system for you out there with low battery drains and 12 volt systems. So this gentleman here, been a customer over years, we've gone and set up his system with a 12 volt system inside with an external modem. This customer still wanted an external physical mount. So you can see this over here. What we've done is gone through and put a waterproof mount on the external of his van. Okay, so he's going to go through and feasibly we've got a USB mount here which goes through dust cap, water wires, everything perfectly there. When he's travelling, that's going to go on there and done. So all he needs to do is bring that antenna out. We also have done a lot of where we've got surface mount ones on the roof. So if you need any of that sort of stuff, come and talk to us. We've also shortened this lead a bit. As you all know, if you've got a Starlink, you got the 15 metres of lead. We've shortened this one up a bit. We'll also give that too with extensions so you can make it longer. So John, follow me around please, if you can. So guys, we know about sat dishes, sat phones and all this. We're removing all this with the Starlink. You can use all your VoIP systems, phone calls, out of Messenger. So I'll go up and here, John, if you want to come through. Beautiful van set up with every little extra you can have on this. But we've gone through and taken away the normal Starlink modem. So feasibly, this is still your 240 volt modem. We've also set this up so the customer can still plug his old physical joiner in for the satellite dish. And then what we've done is gone through, put an external modem up there, running off 12 volts, and also working through where we've got a switch assembly up inside here so we can turn it on and off. And then we've got our Starlink for the McArthur Industries off-grid solution to run through. Have a look at what we're doing here. It's going to be a game changer in the marketplace. So please, any of this sort of work, come through and have a chat to us. We're doing all sorts of things, four-wheel drive fit-outs, caravans, motorhomes, even people with the boats. So please, go through, bring the team, Sandgate Auto Electrics. It's going to be something that's just going to be average stuff happening every day of the week. But we want to really get some of the stuff out here to get you to realise what you can do. Have a good day. I'll speak to you soon. Bye.